Guys, on this video we'll be git cloning or installing a framework that will use that framework to perform this attack that I mentioned in the previous video: the man in the middle attack, the Facebook attack, the phishing kind of exploitation. This is a powerful framework, browser exploitation framework known as beef, that you can use to perform all these attacks. Now, it's very important you watch till the end, because towards the end of the video I will show you how you can make this framework compatible to your Kali Linux machine or your CentOS or any Ubuntu or Debian distribution that you'll be using. So just stay tuned and follow the tutorials step by step. Now, don't forget to like our video, don't forget to comment on our video, and don't forget to share and subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Thank you guys, and stay tuned. After we go on our web, let's go to our Kali Linux and start the beef framework. So you just run the beef. I made a video on how to install git clone beef and how to make it compatible with your Kali Linux. So after we run beef, I'll show you how to use it to hack ethically. It's basically used for pen testing. It's not used for any malicious intent. It's just for educational purpose. So while our beef is loading, we should go to our web goods, click on cross-site scripting, click on stored SSS. On our previous video, you watched how we inject a malicious script to hack a web page. On this particular video, we inject a JavaScript that will manipulate the browser or any browser. So let's go back to our Kali Linux. It's still loading. So while we wait, just want to show you something. Once you put your email address, then we'll inject the malicious script. So if it has loaded, we'll go and copy the scripts. Okay, it has loaded. Then this hook URL, this is what you do. You copy this hook URL, copy and paste it under copy, go back to your browser, paste it here. This a JavaScript file. For instance, if you let's paste it on this browser and see how it looks. Go back here, then you close your tab, close your script, close the script. As you can see, it's a JavaScript file. So once you close the script, you save comment successfully added. So you can inspect it if you want. Let's see if we'll see. Let's try and inspect it to see if our code is injected in it properly. Or since it shows successful, I know the code is in it. So you click on this contents, you go and look for your code. Comment successfully added. Our code should be around. Let's not just waste time on this video. So let's go to let's go back to our Kali Linux. Then let's open a user interface to perform the hacking. No, you just open the link instead. Once you've opened the link is loading. Everything you do will be reporting back to this. It's like we opened the wrong link. This is what we should open. Open link. While installing your beef or there's a password you create. So in the next video I will show you how to do. There's a video I made on how to make your beef compatible with your Kali Linux machine. On that video you create a password. So once you click on this page, if you go back to this, you see that it will be recording, it will be giving us every feedback on our Kali Linux machine. So once we are in, as you can see, online browser, this browser is actually connected to this. If we open another browser, it will be showing here. So let's just go on and run the attack. As you can see, all the information about the browser. You can see all the information, the login detail, the port number, the hardware memory, the hardware type. We are using Kali Linux. So many information. So you click on your command. Once you click on command, so now this is where it gets interesting. If you want to run any attack or any cyber attack, you just, for instance, you click on your social engineering. Let's say you want to do a Google phishing. Click on Google phishing. Once you click on Google phishing, you click on execute. Let me move this thing here. You click on execute. Now you see that it has opened. There is a pop-up now. You see it has opened a pop-up for me to create an account or for me to do one or two. Anything I put here will be reported back on a plain text to the attacker. This is basically for educational purpose. Please don't do see, look at what I typed. Look at everything come out in plain text. Click execute. Thank you for following me to the end. So now the next thing you do is to click on the link on the next video after this video. That will show you how to use your beef or your browser exploitation framework to do all the other kind of attack, like Facebook attack, phishing attack, man in the middle attack, DOS attack, DDoS attack, and the rest. So just follow the next video after this video for that, and there will be other videos that will teach you how to install and make the beef or the browser exploitation framework be compatible to your Kali Linux machine. Thank you and stay tuned.